Hi folks, this is a little video to show you how I cleaned and maintain my Barista Express by taking out the shower screen and gasket and cleaning in and around underneath the shower screen to get all the coffee grounds off that are stuck in there. When they build up, the coffee grounds will cause a gap in the gasket, and that'll cause the hot water to leak out under pressure. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you do this, it should help maintain your Barista Express machine. Thanks very much.